In order to add values in Excel, just place your cursor wherever you want the answer. Now I'll just place my cursor in cell B9. Now start off with equal sign. I'll select January month sales plus February month sales plus March month sales plus April month sales plus May month sales plus June month sales, and then press enter. Once you press enter, you can automatically see this is the added value. Now this method is quite easier when you have less amount of data. But when you have huge amount of data, making use of this method is time consuming. So in order to overcome that, we will make use of sum function. So in order to make use of sum function, I'll just delete this. Start off with equal sign. Type SUM sum. Open bracket. Now select the range of cells. Now range of cells in the sense where exactly your data is present. Now I want to add values starting from Jan to June. So select Jan to June. And then now close the bracket and then press enter. Once you press enter, automatically you will get the added value. Now there is a shortcut in order to make use of this sum function. I'll delete this. Now just press Alt and equal sign. Once you press Alt and equal sign, automatically the sum function will take its values. You don't have to type sum function, either you don't have to select the range of cells. Now just press enter. Once you press enter, you can see automatically the answer is appearing over here. Now also note, if in case you change any of the values over here, automatically the answer will change here also.